So I've shown you how to use the brushes, but I want to see if you can do it now. So I'm just going to show you with some of the smaller ones. So you hold it very near the tip, put your finger on the tooth and wriggle it. So it was too large for here, but it actually fits there. And then you move around again. So I want you to have a go. Show me how you hold the brush. Give it a try from there. Wriggle it quite firmly. Is it too tight? Don't force it, so move on to the next one. It's too tight for there. A little bit at a time, wriggle in. Push down on the gum as you go. That's it. Has it gone up virtually all the way in?
Yeah.
Right, now you can take out a little bit at a time. But as you go, that's it. Move up the brush. That's right. Now come out a little bit at a time. That's it. Fingers close to the teeth again. That's it. That's it. A little bit at a time. That's good. Okay, so now we're going to look at a smaller one for these here.